How to apply for nursing jobs in Malta. Glorious chance for nurses to Malta. Reputed personal and public hospitals in Malta are seeking to recruit well-practiced English-speaking registered Indian nurses for full-time, well-paying jobs for such hospitals on the attractive Mediterranean island of Malta. This chance is on the market just for extremely qualified and practiced nurses. World Health Organization has an associate in nursing IELTS score of minimum 6.0 in each module or grade B in speaking and C+ in rest in OET. Minimum requirements for nurse in Malta. Qualification: BSc, diploma in nursing and should be fluent in English. IELTS minimum score 6.0 in every module is obligatory or OET minimum grade in speaking B and listening reading, writing is C+. Experience: minimum 1 years or on top of is most popular. Salary: from €1,400 to €2,000 gross per month on the basis of qualification and knowledge. The applicant shall provide a recent police conduct certificate or report which should show that he or she has clean conduct and at least one reference showing that the applicant is of good moral character. Verification certificate of current registration and good standing from the original registering body/competent authority issued not earlier than 3 months prior to the date of application. Applicants should be legally entitled or authorized to work in Malta. Applicants must apply for registration by means of the CNM's latest application form. Documents submitted must be either in Maltese or in English. Documents in any other language shall be presented together with a duly authenticated translation in the Maltese or English language. Documents to be submitted shall include completed application form with a passport-size photograph, a transcript of nursing studies endorsed by the education authority where studies were carried out. The transcript must clearly explain the number of hours followed in theory and practice, including a breakdown in the different topics as Council for Nurses and Midwives of Malta. A police conduct certificate issued not earlier than 3 months prior to the submission of the application. A birth certificate. Reference documents indicating the periods during which the applicant has practiced the profession. If an applicant has performed duties in more than one hospital and/or home, a document for each period should be submitted. The degree or diploma certificate of the study course undertaken. An authenticated copy of the passport or the identity card of the applicant. The applicant's Europus curriculum vitae. A verification certificate of current registration and good standing issued by the original registering body/competent authority issued not earlier than 3 months prior to the application date. Receipt of the relevant fee. YD Section 2 for the method of payment. An International English Language Testing System (IELTS) certificate, with a result showing an average score of 6. It is recommended that all applicants will be subjected to a 2-month adaptation or orientation period. Such courses will be organized by the Office of the Council and applicants will be subject to a fee as decided by the Council. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos.